Hi guys, so in today's short video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger message requests not showing in less than 1 minute. Open settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page you will find every single app you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Messenger like this. When you click on Messenger now, all what you want to do next is very simple. Just click on this option to stop the app and then click on data usage. Disable the background data and the roaming data and enable only the Wi-Fi and the mobile data like this. Go back and click on the storage option. Click on clear cache and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.